Hello everyone, welcomes you all. In this video, I am going to make some special sentences only for you with the help of a piece of cake. बाएं हाथ का खेल. पढ़ाना मेरे बाएं हाथ का खेल है. कार चलाना मेरे बाएं हाथ का खेल है. खाना बनाना मेरे बाएं हाथ का खेल है. फोन करना मेरे बाएं हाथ का खेल है. How you can say these kind of sentences in English? So let's start making some sentences. Telling story is a piece of cake for me. Writing a letter is a piece of cake for me. Driving a car is a piece of cake for me. Calling is a piece of cake for me. Teaching is a piece of cake for me. Speaking is a piece of cake for me. Thanks for watching this video.